Hi, I'm Becky Halbe. I'm a Master Gardener with Virginia Cooperative Extension, and I'm here to talk to you about how to read a seed packet. Many of you might be first-time gardeners or even experienced gardeners. You might not realize how much information is right here at your fingertips. This is a type of bean. It shows that it's organic. It shows it's a bush bean right here on the front, non-GMO, and some of the bean packets will actually have how many days to maturity. This bean, the contender bean, is 48 days to maturity, whereas other types like tender green might take 55 days. So if you are planning your garden to rotate crops, it's important to know which ones will take a shorter amount of time. But most of the information is on the back of the packet. You're going to get when to plant, what time of year. Things like radishes can be grown early, and you might get a couple crops before you get your tomatoes and peppers in. You can also plant them later in the fall. Other plants are going to need to be at a warmer soil temperature, and a lot of that information is right there on the back. Height is an important consideration. A lot of us have made the mistake. We pick up a pack of marigold seeds thinking, oh, I'm going to get these cute little marigolds, and suddenly you've got 3 feet tall crackerjack marigolds, which says it on the packet, but you just didn't read it. So knowing the height is important. Another thing to know is the type of bean you have. You might think you're getting bush beans, and instead you get something that's flopping all over because it wants to grow up a pole. So make sure you look to see if it's a pole bean or a bush bean. So there's other details that some of these packets have. I'm not saying one over the other, but I do like the fact that Lake Valley has the sprout, what it looks like when it's just coming out of the ground. Depth to plant, the spacing, all of that is right there. Many of these have tables on the back that give you a lot of good information. If you don't see what you need to plant and you need more information, oftentimes the website of the company will have more there. Thank you very much.